In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PDF in Manychat. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable link inside your message that delivers your file instantly to subscribers without any confusion or permissions headaches. First, get your PDF ready to share by uploading it to a reliable cloud storage location. You can use Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or even host it directly on your website. Keep the file name clear and professional so people know what they're downloading, and make sure you're uploading the final version to avoid having to swap links later. Once it's uploaded, grab a shareable link. This part is crucial. Set the link's access so that anyone with the link can view. In most platforms, that's called viewer or can view access. Avoid settings like restricted, private, or anything that requires people to request access or sign in, because that will block your subscribers from getting the PDF. If you're using your website, make sure the URL points directly to the file and that the file is live. A quick tip: copy the link and test it in a private or incognito browser window. If it opens without logging in, you're good to go. Next, head over to Manychat and open Flows. Navigate to the flow where you want to deliver the PDF and open your message block. This is the exact message your subscriber will see when they trigger your automation, whether that's from a keyword, a button, or a comment growth tool. Keep your message simple and friendly so the call to action is obvious. Now paste your link into the message with clear, inviting copy. For example, you can write, "Here's your free PDF https://yourlink.com/file.pdf." Manychat will automatically detect the URL and make it clickable. If your link looks long, that's okay. Clarity is more important than appearance. You can personalize the text around it to match your brand voice, but keep the promise straightforward so subscribers know exactly what they're getting. Before you finish, scan your message for typos, make sure the link is correct, and confirm that the access setting still reads "anyone with the link can view." If you changed or replaced the file, remember that the share setting might reset, so double-check it. That's it. You uploaded your PDF, created a shareable link with OpenView permissions, placed it inside your Manychat message block, and made it easy for subscribers to click and download. Keep this structure for any future lead magnets or resources you plan to share, and you'll deliver value quickly and reliably every time.